How to clean your fridge and keep it clean forever. Clear out all the fridge contents. Remove all the shelves/racks for wash, not wiping.
Yeah, I think so.
Clean the fridge inside and the door. Wash all the sauce bottles and all other bottles with contents. Wash under running warm water, using a clean scourer. Dry the bottles with paper towels. Return your washed shelves and racks to the clean fridge. Now put only one item on each shelf. Now your fridge will stay clean forever. You never have to clean it again. Smiley face.